Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to become a member of the National Trust application, thereby being able to enjoy new discoveries, experiences and adventures more often. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now tap on the More icon down below, indicated by 3 dots. Tap on the second option, Become a Member. Here you can choose read about what does it mean to become a member. And if you are done with reading this brief summary and introduction, tap on the Become a Member button down below. Now you will be directed to the National Trust's website. Accept all cookies, and then you will be able to join the this membership or become a member. You can choose a membership such as joint, family or individual or life membership. Here you can read about in more details what does it mean to be a member. So here you can select the way you want to pay, the payment method. You need to add your details, and after that you will be able to finish this process of becoming a member. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.